Hello, welcome to SMMO Gardens. Today we repot Ficus lyrata. This video provides a comprehensive guide on how to repot your plant. This plant is root bound. It needs a bigger pot. There is no soil in this pot. That is why it is important to repot for fresh soil and nutrients to achieve optimal growth. Pot should have drainage hole at the bottom. This pot is perfect. Using potting soil mixture. Remove the plant from the current pot. Loosen the roots in order for the roots to spread out easily. Fill the soil all around the pot. Gentle press down to fill the gaps. FICUS lyrata are the most easiest plant to have and are low maintenance plants. The new leaves might have red spot on them. It is called edema, and it happens when the roots of plants take in more water than the leaves can transpire. So the cells rupture, but it does go away. Beautiful to style your home or office. Needs indirect bright light. Water your plant when the topsoil is dry. Overwatering can lead to root rot. Fertilize during the growing season, spring, summer. Looks happier, don't you think? FICUS LYRATA improves overall focus and concentration. This plant is believed to bring positive energy and good vibes. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Please like, share, and subscribe to grow this channel.